Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the questions from linear equation in two variables. Okay, it is nothing but a graphical representation of linear equations. Okay, so here the question is draw the graphs of the following equations. So which are the equations? X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So we are going to answer three questions here. Okay, based on the graph. We are going to determine the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. That means these two equations will give you lines and they intersect the x-axis, correct? So we will find the triangle formed by these lines with the x-axis. Okay, here x-axis will be the base. Fine. Okay, then shade the triangular region. So whatever triangle we get from the x-axis, we'll shade that. Okay, and also we'll find the area. So these three questions will answer based on the graph. Okay, so for that reason, first we have to find the solutions. Okay, so let me take the first equation. Okay, in the solution, let me take the first equation, that is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and we have to rearrange the equation. Okay, if you want to rearrange the equation, what I will do, I will take y and one other side. So what I will get, x is equal to minus y becomes plus y when I transpose, and plus 1 becomes minus 1. So I'll get x is equal to y minus 1. Or even you can rearrange. Okay, how you can rearrange? You can take only y other side. So what do you get when you do that? You will get x plus 1 is equals to y. See, these are the two different rearrangements that we get. Okay, it's purely your choice which one you want to use. Okay, so in this case what I will do, let me use the second one. Okay, what is second one? See here, I will write here x and here y. Okay, here y is expressed in terms of x, means y is equal to x plus 1, and here x is expressed in terms of y, that means x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, both will give you same answer only. So let us first use this and find. Okay, you can use any one of this. Okay, there is no restrictions. Okay, let me take x as 0. Okay, if I take x as 0, what happens? Y is equal to x plus 1, right? So it becomes 0 plus 1 gives me 1, correct? So when x is 0, y is 1. In case if I take x as, x as 2, what I will get? So x is equals to 2. That means y is equal to 2 plus 1. So y is equal to 3. That means when x is 2, y is 3. Okay. Just for a trial, I will use this equation. Okay. Say for example, I will take y as 4. Okay. If I take y as 4, see, I'm using this equation. Okay. So I will take y is equals to 4. That means what is the equation? X is equal to y minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1, which gives me 3. That means when y is 4, x is 3. Is that clear? So we can use any one of this. Okay, fine. That's the first part of it. Okay, now we'll move on to the second equation. Okay, in the second equation, see, the second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, correct? Here arrangement, we will restrict our arrangements. Okay, that means what we will do, so we will be taking in such a way that 2 should divide the equation. That means 2 should be the denominator. To make that, what I need to do, I am going to transpose 3x and 12 to the other side. That means y is equal to minus 12 becomes plus 12 plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Now then I will take y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Okay, what's the benefit of this? Benefit of this is whenever you divide any number by 2, you will get a decimal number as 0.5. Okay, that means if I divide 3 by 2, I'll get 1.5, correct? If I divide 10 by 2, I'll get 5 only, correct? By this what happens, we will not get a decimal number more than 5, or we won't get like 1.555 and all. So it will be easy for us to plot. Okay, that's how it makes our work a little easier. Okay, now let me take x and y. Now you see y is expressed in terms of x, correct? So let me take x as 0 and x as 1. Okay, for just for the sake, I'll take x as minus 1 also. Okay, because any number you can take, right? So let me take x is equal to 0 first. What I will get, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 0, correct? X is 0, no? So by 2, what I will get? 12 minus 3 into 0 is 0, right? 12 minus 0 by 2. That means 12 by 2, which gives us 6. Okay, that means what? When x is 0, y is 6. Okay, in case if I take x as 1, so what I will get? Y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 1 by 2. This will give me 12 minus 3 by 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 by 2 will give me 4.5. Correct? Okay, let me take x is equals to, let me change this as minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Because one decimal number only will take it. So this will be 12 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2. So minus into minus, I'll get plus, correct? 3 into 2, 6 divided by 2. So this will give you 18 by 2, which gives me 9. So when x is 1, y is 4.5. When x is minus 2, y is what? 9. So these are the solutions, okay? So these, by using these solutions, we are going to plot this in the graph. Okay, let's do the graph now. Okay, we already know that we had found the solutions of the equations, right? Okay, now we are going to plot the solutions in the graph, okay? So let me first take the first equation, fine? Okay, before doing all those things, make sure you mention the scale, and vertical axis is y-axis and horizontal axis is x-axis, okay? And we are not allowed to use any pen in the graph, but here I have used this color pens only for the clarity, okay? You have to use completely pencil only in this particular graph. Okay, let me start with the first equation, okay? That is x plus 1 is equal to y. So what was our equation actually? It is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, correct? That we are going to plot. Now see, first x is 0, right? X is 0 means it is in this particular place, right? 0 to 1 means we are going to get a point over here, okay? Fine. So this point inside represents the exact vertex and circle represents the location of the point, okay? When x is 2, okay, y is 3. So x is 2 means this point, y is 3 is over here, right? So we will travel till 2 and from 2 we will go up till 3, okay? Don't mark it here. So we have to go to 2 first from the x-axis. From there you need to go up till 3. So this is the point, okay? Next, when x is 3, y is 4. That means from here I will go till 3. From this place I am going till 4. Okay, now you can see here all the 3 points are in the straight line, right? We call them as collinear points. Now take a scale, okay? Join those points, okay? So make sure you join it accurately. Fine. So let us join it. So we'll end its ends with the arrow mark, okay? And let us mention the name of the equation, okay? What is the sorry, not name of the equation. So what is the equation here? It is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, correct? Now let us mark the second equation, okay? That is y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2, right? Actually, what was the equation here? It was 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, correct? You can go back and check in the video. So that equation will be clear, okay? So what is the solution now? When x is 0, y is 6. That means now x is 0 means here only. I cannot go anywhere here, right? From here it is 6. It means it will be somewhere here. Okay. This is the point. Next one, when x is 1, y is 4.5. So x is x-axis. 1 is here. From here till 4.5. That means this will be the point. Okay. This is the exact midpoint of the 4 and 5, right? 4.5. Now next, when x is minus 2, y is 9. So x is minus 2 means where it is? Over here, right? From here till minus 9. So let us go till here. And this is minus 9. Now see here, all these 3 points are in the straight line, correct? Now take a scale, keep it properly, and let us join it, okay? So make sure all the 3 points, the line passes through all the 3 points. In case if these 3 points are not on the straight line, means we have done some error, okay? So let us join it, okay? So let us make it an arrowhead. And what was the equation here? The equation was 3x, okay, then plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. That was the equation, correct? Okay, now let us go to the next question. Okay, we have done now. Now, as per the question, we have to identify the coordinates of the triangle formed by the lines and the which axis? X-axis, correct? Now see, this is an x-axis. Okay, now can you see a triangle? See, the lines are intersecting at this point, and this point, right? Now this is going to be the base. And this is the triangle which is standing on the x-axis, correct? So they told us to write the coordinates, right? So let us label this point as A. The coordinates of this point are, from the x-axis it is 2, y-axis it is 3. It means it becomes 2, 3, okay? When you come here, let us mark this point as B, okay? So B, x-axis minus 1, y-axis 0. That means it is minus 1, 0. Now if you come this side, it is x-axis is 4 and y-axis is 0. Right? So these are the coordinates. So second question is done, correct? Now third question is, we have to shade it, and also we need to find the area, right? What we need to shade? We need to shade the triangle enclosed by these lines and the which axis? X-axis. Okay, let us do that now. See, let us shade this region. This is the region which we need to shade. Okay, in the question, if they're asking you to shade me, that's a very important thing. It is mandatory that we need to shade. Okay, because every question asked in the question will carry a certain mark, so that everything it will cover up. So this is I shaded now. Okay, now after this they also asked us to find the area, right? Let us find the area. To find the area, what is the base here? So base is from B to C, right? So if I take base as BC, okay, this is C, okay, BC. If I take, what's the length here? Here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, right? Base is 5 centimeter. In case if you are unable to get the base here properly, or if you are not able to get it, take a scale and keep it here. Okay, now see, from here to here it is 5 centimeter. So base will be 5 centimeter. Okay, height of a triangle is this, right? If you are going from here, see, 0 to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. That means height is 3 centimeter, right? In case if you are finding difficulty, what you do, use the scale and measure it. See, from here to here it is 3 centimeter, correct? That means height. So height of this triangle is how much? It is 3 centimeter, correct? If you're going to find the area, what is the area formula of triangle? Area formula, A is equal to half into base into height, correct? So half into base is 5 and height is 3 centimeter. Okay, go for cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2.5 are 2.5 into 3. So what I will get? 7.5 centimeter square is the area. Okay, now this graph is complete. Fine. Okay, thank you.